What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Big Crypto here, bringing you the latest and greatest in terraluna Classic. Now, we had the pullback we were all expecting, the big push down in the market, but not all is lost. And are we about to see another rally for Lunc, the same as we're going to see with XRP and other top tier cryptocurrencies? We'll find out in this video. And if you're bullish on Luna Classic, make sure you smash that like button. YouTube loves it when you guys hit that like button. Subscribe for more. And with that being said, let's get into the overall cryptocurrency market. So we're into a new day here. It is the 12th of December, and we do think, or it certainly looks like, if I click the refresh button, that we are seeing some buying pressure coming in on Bitcoin. 41,659, still 5% down. Remember, it's a rolling 24-hour period for coin market cap. Ethereum sitting at that 2237. Now, if we come down the list, you'll see we did just drop out of the 61st highest ranked cryptocurrency right now. Terra Luna Classic at a 9.87 decline in the last 24 hours. 1783 is the current price. We can see that our market cap is clinging onto $1 billion, but our volume at 231 million. Now, don't forget, I will have my latest burn update for you guys coming in the next week to give you a view of what to expect. But as we talked about yesterday in my video, the volume looking pretty good on these Binance pairings, which is good news. Now, what am I talking about in this video? Well, we talked a little bit about this unique burn mechanism to revive Luna Classic. Forget the $1 for now, but it says Terra Luna Classic community burn massive amounts of Lunc tokens to reduce the supply and revive the ecosystem. One of the top validators submitted a proposal to improve the recently implemented dynamic minimum commission mechanism for validators. It asserts burning Lunc tokens by top validators for the extra commission they earn following the DynCom. Luna's validator submitted the proposal for discussion on the Commonwealth Forum. We'll take a look at that in a minute. So we talk specifically about what this does, ultimately feeding more into the burn wallet as well as the community wallet. And that's what I wanted to talk about a little bit more in this video. We do kind of need to bring Luna Classic to the forefront. There is definitely a debate right now. And one very interesting proposal over on Commonwealth is this one, which was brought by David Skinder. And ultimately it's talking about how do we get the word about Terra Luna Classic out there. If you Google it, if you ask anyone, it still is attached to the collapse of the Luna ecosystem. We don't really talk about what Terra Luna is about. We don't really talk about the community and all the things we've done in the background. And ultimately, there's a very important reason why we don't. Here on the official CoinMarketCap website, when you take a look at the actual website, it takes us specifically to the Luna website. So even the fact that we have a number of things being built out, there's actually, and I talked about this in my previous video, I've been talking to some developers of a new game that may well be coming out on Terra Luna Classic, as well as other projects, whether they be NFTs and all the rest of it. We don't even get people that would instantly come to this website, come to CoinMarketCap, take a look at it, and then go on to what we're building, what's being built. Ultimately, what's that? We need our own website. And I think it's very, very important, given what we have, given what we've come in. And bear in mind, a lot of people would have said, well, Terra Luna Classic's done. You just have to look at the volume that's coming over the last 2 weeks, tells you everything you need to know that this is far from done. Now, obviously, the advantage of being part of the Terra ecosystem, we already know that liquidity funding about $10 million that has been put there, is we ultimately should be getting a lion's share of dApps as well as other bits being built on the Luna ecosystem. Time will only tell if we actually do get that. But very interesting proposal. And I talked again about this video in my video yesterday about how important it is the community continues to rethink, rebrand, and revamp this chain in order for us to move forward and ultimately bring people into our chain. How do you pump the prices? How do you kind of get adoption? People buy into the chain. Very, very important. So I think with dynamic commission rates, ultimately funding the community wallet gives us the opportunity to be a bit more dynamic, a bit more versatile with that. At the same time, though, don't forget, we proposed to have the pay by job mechanism that would sit on side of that as well. So I'm very interested to see how the community comes up with that, what they're going to talk about, and more importantly, what is there to discuss. Now, price predictions. Everyone is interested to see what happens. We expect a bounce on the price like we did the other day. We bounced off that 618 fib aggressively for Terra Luna Classic. Now, we are slightly below that. Are we going to see the same? That's the big question right now. However, it says today's Lunc price hovering around that 79, backed by trading volume of approximately 227 million. Despite the decline, the coin's market cap stands resilient at 1.18 billion, maintaining its position as the 54th ranked crypto asset. Now, obviously, it's slightly behind that now. It says the recent dip in Terra Classic value has sparked a wave of speculation and potential strategies among traders and investors alike, eyeing the possibility of a rebound or further depreciation. Lunc, the digital asset associated with Terra Classic, exhilarating considerable volatility in the current market atmosphere, and it says such a significant drop draws the attention of investors seeking to gauge the asset's next move in a turbulent market. Now, if we take a look at what's going on on the price. Now, you will see this is a little bit different to maybe what you're used to. All will become very clear, of course, over the coming week or so. So make sure you subscribe for that. But what we can see is a nice level of consolidation, potentially with a reversal coming in 1.66%. We're still potentially in a sell trend right now. And actually, if we come down to the bottom here, we can see that we are just marginally over sold. So we are expecting this to move to the upside, which would give us a positive move. Again, you saw this strong buy signal giving us the move, and then there was a sell signal that came in. So I'm waiting to see if we get the buy signal to then start to push to the upside. We need a little bit more. The market, though, 1% up on Bitcoin, recovering quite nicely. So again, we could potentially see another rally in the cryptocurrency markets. It does feel like the Asian markets are coming out to buy, but all of that is certainly good news for Terra Luna Classic, and we'll see where we are. Overall, though, if you think about where we were running at that 4079 range to then move up to the 3017 where we currently sit in the space of a couple of weeks, does just show you exactly the potential of Terra Luna Classic, and that's why investors are looking into this chain. But if you want to see more content, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Also, turn your notification bell on so you know when we upload our latest content or go live on our daily live streams. And until then, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.